In today's video, I will walk you through how to trade on Crypto.com exchange app. To begin trading, tap on Trade. Inside the Trade section, you'll see different trading options. For this tutorial, select Spot Trading. Next, choose the trading pair that you want to use. In this example, the trading pair is CRO and USD, because the account already has USD available, and the goal is to buy CRO tokens. Once you've selected the trading pair, make sure the Buy tab is selected. You'll also see different order types available, including limit, market, stop loss limit, and stop loss market. For this walkthrough, leave the order type set to limit order. In the price field, enter the price you want to pay for the cryptocurrency. After that, enter the quantity you want to purchase. You'll also notice the red section showing sell orders, the green section showing buy orders, and the current market price displayed between them. If you prefer, you can use the percentage slider to choose how much of your available balance you want to use for the purchase. Once you've finished entering your order details, tap the Buy button. The app will display a summary of your order. Review the information carefully. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm to place the order. After your order has been submitted, it will appear in your open orders. If your buy price is reached, the order will be executed automatically. To review completed trades, tap More, then select Order History. You'll be able to see that your completed limit order has been filled. Now let's look at selling cryptocurrency. Return to the trading screen and select the trading pair you want to sell. This time, tap the Sell tab and leave the order type set to Limit Order. Enter the price at which you want to sell your cryptocurrency. Then, enter the amount of tokens you want to sell. The app will automatically calculate how much you'll receive from the trade. When you're ready, tap Sell, review the order details, and tap Confirm. Your sell order will appear under Open Orders and will remain there until the price you selected is reached. If you decide not to continue with the order, simply tap Cancel to remove it. Finally, you can return to More and Open Order History whenever you want to review your completed trading activity. And that's how you can trade on the Crypto.com exchange app using spot trading. Thank you for watching.